Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change language on Netflix on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, go ahead and open Netflix application on your device. Okay, and then here please press pencil icon at the top right corner and select the profile you want. Well, after that here you can select display language option. And then select the language suitable for you. Okay, and then click Restart App to apply new language. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change language on Netflix on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.